Swagatam. I request all to please pin Satish. Before starting the event, here are some general instructions. On preferably throughout the event, it is compulsory to turn your video and audio while you are presenting. Any doubt or issue regarding the shared screen or if voice is not clear, please mention in the chat box This is a rapid fire round. You will be given 1 minute to answer 15 questions. For right answer, will be graded with 2 marks. For a wrong answer, minus 1 mark will be deducted. And for a question which is passed, previous slide will not be showed again. Only first answer said will be considered. I request till the end. And the results will only and only be announced to the teachers group. If anyone has doubt, I can explain the general rules in Hindi. Are the rules clear to everyone?
Answer to the anchor, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Any doubt regarding
No.
Manjunath Shetty, please don't
please
present
stop
your screen.
strictly prohibited. Please participants do not present anything. Please wait till the screen is shared again. Contingent Vasvi Shakti,
Yes.
please keep your audio and video able. Ready? Is the screen visible to you?
Yes.
Let's start. Hello, contingent Vasvi Shakti.
Yes.
Please answer.
Yes. Just a minute.
Yeah, yeah. So 1 minute is provided to you.
Okay. Pass.
Stop.
Do I still have to say the answer?
No, contingent Vasavi Shakti. Now you can disable your audio and video and stay till the end. Do not leave.
Participants, you have to answer as much as out of these 15 questions, you have to give the right answer for maximum possible questions in 1 minute.
Also, you can pass the question if you don't know the answer. Contingent Brahmastra.
Yes.
Please keep your audio and video able. Are you ready? Is the screen visible to you?
Yes.
Start.
Marichaha.
Correct.
Pass.
Pa-
Pass. 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 Lakshmanaha.
Correct.
Pass. Brahmadeva.
Correct. Stop. You can disable a video and do not leave. Contingent Sudarshan Chakra.
Yes, ma'am.
Please keep your audio and video. And is the screen visible to you?
Yes.
Start.
Sangeeta, just a minute.
Yes.
I think start, the question appears a bit later. They lose their 5-10 seconds into that.
Okay.
So I would request you to ask them if the question is visible to them and then start their timings.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay. First question.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Start.
Jambavan.
Wrong.
Lankini.
Correct.
Pass. Pass.
Wrong.
Vashishtha.
Correct.
Pass. Brahmastrena.
Correct.
Pass.
Stop. Contingent Sudarshan Chakra. You can disable or your video and stay till the end. It's contingent Dharma Pasha. Contingent Dharma Pasha.
Am I audible?
Yes. Yes. You are audible. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Start.
Pass. Pass. Hanumanah.
Wrong.
Hanumanah.
Correct.
pass, Uttarkhand,
correct.
pass, Mandvi,
Stop. Correct. Contingent Dharma Pasha, you can disable your video and stay till the end. Contingent Naga Pasha,
Yes.
keep your video able. Yes. First question. Is the screen visible to you?
Yes.
Start.
The-
Wrong.
Pass. Punaravasu.
Correct.
Pass. Rushyashrunga. Dandakaranya.
Wrong.
Pass. Dronachari.
Wrong. Stop. Contingent Naga Pasha, you can disable your video and stay till the end. Contingent Bhrugu,
Yes.
keep your video able. First question. Is this you?
Yes, yes.
Start.
Tadaka.
Wrong.
Sarayu.
Correct.
Mithileshpuri.
Wrong.
Pass. 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 Vishwamitra.
Wrong.
Tavita.
Correct. Stop. All participants, your results will be announced to the teachers group.
Okay, great.
Okay, Agneastra, if you are in, please respond. I haven't. Okay, we are waiting for their response. So I'm taking group 3 names. Trunga, group 3.
Yes. Yes.
Great. Durvasa,
Yeah, I'm there.
great. Agasti, Jamadagni,
Yes, ma'am.
we are. Um,
Should I put a message in the teachers group?
yes, yes. Okay, I just put. Okay, I'm there.
I deleted. I thought someone has joined in. I'm putting one. ठीक है, ठीक है. You did.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
You did. No worries. No worries.
Yeah, yeah. So, yes. Okay, great. Agneastra will wait if there is any response from the teacher. Otherwise, we'll see what to do.
How was it for the online session?
Yes, ma'am, it was good.
You
It
enjoyed
was a
that.
nice
Thank you.
and new.
Anyone who had participated for last 4 years in the offline quiz and is also there this year. So what?
Yes,
Can you
it
tell
is.
me how was this?
It was unique this time. Actually, we had very less time to solve in just great.
Right.
And like congrats to all the winners. You actually topped it from round one, and that is actually happy news for all of you. Yes, so I would pass it on to Aditi. Aditi?
Hello.
Yes, Aditi, continue. All the best to all. Yes.
सुसायं स्वागतं सर्वेषां ध्रुवमहोत्सवे पञ्चमं वर्षम् अतः अपि विषयः रामपञ्चायतनम् अद्यापि मनोहरं तथैव सद्यस्कमाध्यमेन स्पर्धाः अतः झटिति एव अहम् अदिति प्रश्नमञ्जुषा स्पर्धायाः आरम्भं करोमि स्पर्धेत भाग घेणाऱ्या सगळ्या स्पर्धांचे मी आत्ताच मनापासून अभिनंदन करते कारण स्पर्धेत जिंकण्यापेक्षा भाग घेणं ही तितकंच महत्त्वाचं असतं दरवर्षीप्रमाणे यावर्षी देखील आपण प्रश्नमंजुषा ही स्पर्धा घेतो आहोत पण यावर्षीचे विशेष महत्त्व म्हणजे आपण या कोरोना काळात सुद्धा तेवढ्याच जोशात तेवढ्याच उत्साहात इंटरनेटद्वारे भेटतो आहोत आणि आम्ही सर्वजण सुद्धा खास तुमच्यासाठी प्रश्नमंजुषा हा इव्हेंट प्रत्येक वर्षी सारखाच तेवढाच एन्थुसियास्टिक ठेवण्याचा आता जनरल रूल्स कडे वळूया All participants are requested to keep their videos able throughout the event. All participants are expected to unmute their audios only at the time of their participation. Sharing of screen by any participant is strictly prohibited. Is unable to hear the audio or view the screen, the participant is expected to mention it in the chat box. Doubts will be cleared in the chat box. तर आता आपण राउंड 2 ला सुरुवात करूया आता मी राउंड 2 कसा असेल याबद्दल सांगते राउंड 2 हा 2 पार्ट्स मध्ये विभागलेला आहे आपण राउंड 2A आणि राउंड 2B राउंड 2A मध्ये तुमच्या पार्टिसिपेशनच्या वेळेला तुम्हाला स्लाइडवर 12 अंक दिसतील हे तुम्हाला त्या 12 अंकांपैकी कोणताही एक अंक चूज करायचा आहे तो अंक चूज केल्यावर त्या नंबरचा आम्ही श्लोक तुम्हाला देणार आणि तेव्हा टाइमर ऑन करणार तुमच्याकडे वेळ असेल 90 सेकंदांचा त्या श्लोकावर तुम्हाला रामायणातलं कोणतं कॅरेक्टर आठवतंय Third participant is Agneastra. Is Agneastra here? Which number?
5. Wali.
Okay. Our next participant is Vaishnava Dhanush. Okay. समीचीनम् अग्रिमः स्पर्धकः ऋष्यशृङ्ग
Group 2.
Group 2. Sorry.
हाँ 4.
4.
Time up. Time up.
Participant is Vyastra.
Yes.
Okay.
4.
चौथा झालाय.
2.
नितिन एक स्लाइड के.
Indrajit.
Okay.
Indrajit.
Okay. Next participant is Brahmastra.
6. 6.
Start.
Jatayu.
Okay. All group participant is Dharma Pasha. Dharma Pasha.
Hello, may I answer different one?
Sorry, who was that? Please state your contingent name. Have you attempted before?
Yeah, I'm Brahmastra. That question.
You attempted one, right? You attempted the sixth question, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the choice would be, but now you attempted, and now we'll continue with other contingent.
Yeah.
Okay, very sorry. Yeah, Aditi, continue. Next, last contingent.
Okay. Start.
Is Dharma Pasha here? Dharma Pasha.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, your video is,
I'm
yeah,
here.
okay, yeah, start.
भरत हा
okay. ओके. ग्रुप 2 चे झालेले आहेत. आता आपण पहिला पार्टिसिपंट इज ऋष्यशृंग.
Yes. Can I choose? 7.
सेवन झालाय ना नंबर.
Okay, fine.
It's also done, dear.
9.
Yeah, 9.
नाइन्थ पण झालाय ना.
Aditi, can you take the numbers which are done so they can get an idea? Yes.
मी बाकी असलेले नंबर सांगते.
Okay.
8, 11 आणि 12.
11.
11. Okay, you can. Thank you. Our next participant is Durvasa.
Audible?
Durvasa here? Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Number 8.
Start.
Shravan Bhatt.
Okay. Our next participant is Agasti. Choose one number.
3.
3.
Hanuma.
Can you repeat again?
Hanuma.
Thank you. मस्त खेळलात तुम्ही सगळे. राउंड 2A आपला झाला. आता आपण
Aditi, एक participant
Aditi, yeah.
Jamad Agni is in it.
Jamad Agni.
Sorry.
Yes, yes,
Sorry,
it's okay.
Jamalani.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Jamadagni participant is here. Is Jamadagni participant here?
Yes, yes.
Sorry, huh?
The last one remaining is, I suppose.
Okay. 12.
Siradhwaja, that is Janak.
Okay. Down.
Thank you, participants. We request you all to wait for a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. We'll join you. Aditi, if you wish to continue with some fillers, you can do.
I had a doubt.
Hmm.
Should the video?
Yes, yes.
Okay, we are just evaluating what has happened just now. It takes a few minutes. Please try to understand our volunteers. So we'll let you know. So if anyone wishes to comment about this round, they can go ahead. So this is जब event चालू है तभी सिर्फ anchor बोलता है या participant बोलता है. But since audience are also here, like they can give their view at the few spare time. If anyone wishes, teachers or even participants can give their view. अगर अच्छा बोला बुरा बोला, we are not going to judge you on that basis. You are free to say anything, whatever you felt. It helps us, next करेंगे, we'll get ideas from you. So please suggest. The Aditi ma'am is also interested to know. So if so, I will also like it. Or should we choose the participants now? अभी हम एक एक को choose करेंगे and उनको view देना पड़ेगा. We'll take contingent names now and they will have to give their views. Okay, Amog was saying round was amazing now. Thank you, Amog. You could have said it's no restriction. There is no restriction. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि chat पे बोलना है. Anyone who can speak. Yes, Parshuram, go ahead.
It was very good. I loved the rounds. The idea, the actual concept of realize the names of the various characters is very awesome. I loved it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Anyone else? We are flattered by the comments, actually. Not just over here. उसके every event we get responses through your teachers. आपसे तो हम personally मिल नहीं पा रहे इस time, but some of your teachers are commenting to us personally on WhatsApp also. You are loving the events. श्लोक पठनम से लेके अभी तक जितने events आए हैं, meme making, all such events, people were commenting. We loved it. So we wish to know your views. Yeah, let's just like Aditi ma'am says, We also enjoyed like composing these verses. Our volunteers have worked a lot behind the scenes for all these slokas, though most of them are not visible in the front, many of them. Thank you, Parashuram. Thank you, Amog, for your comment. Anyone else? जितना
So,
टाइम है बोल दो अभी.
I didn't know that these verses were composed later. I thought that they were described somewhere. But then it's amazing. You have actually.
No, they sweet, so sweet. Yes, these were composed. Our volunteers were taking information from books. Some 2, 3 volunteers have read the entire Ramaki Ramayana. They have read. Some of the volunteers were continuously working on the internet. They were surfing. Some of them collected the information. Some and later on, Aditi ma'am and one of our ex-students, Nidhi Karlekar, they both helped us with how the product is before you. So like 32 to 34 volunteers, our ma'am, all have put their efforts. Even some of the teachers like from outside, they have helped us. So whatever the result in each and every event that comes in front of you, like 15 behind that, if we can say. The concept of this round was very amazing. Thank you, Advait. Thank you so. Yeah, so from about April end se leke we are planning about how each event can be conducted. There were multiple ideas from participants of previous year were also like who are not there participating this year. They had also suggested us through our social medias. Even the theme, if you remember, if you follow us on our Instagram page FB, so you would have seen starting from the theme, our participants se bhi hai. So this is a family. So whatever product you can see in front of you, many efforts are behind that. Oh, thank you, Parshuram, for that comment. You attended meme making or you were an audience? Parshuram is typing, yes. अभी कोई बोला नहीं, so everyone is chatting on the chat box. Oh, thank you. Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
Ma'am, this is Dharmapas.
Okay, yes, Dharmapas, please say.
Interesting experience for all of us. It enhanced our ability to think and to just clues. So it will be very useful for us in our life. So I personally felt that it is experience for us. Thank you.
So sweet, Manjuna. Thank you so much. Yes, Amog, we are also happy to have come. Just referring some books or already existing verses. Almost in all the events, we have composed our verses. We have made questions for. Yes, and it is to be said that it is not like Dhruva में सिर्फ संस्कृत students है, like equal amount है. We can बिल्कुल वैसे भी students है. In fact, even in the core, also in the core, and also among our volunteers, even some of the participants, the students, comic and meme also, we had participants who have not experienced Sanskrit in their life. So that is also an important point. को नहीं जो नहीं सीख पाए थे उनके childhood में, they are coming forward to give an attempt, and some of them are also winning. भी in fact, some of, if I remember last time painting जो था उसमें जो I guess second या first prize, one of the student who got nonsense wrong. So we are.
Yes, he's from my school. Yeah, he's
Yes,
from my
Swati.
school, and he's a yeah, he's a French student, and he was that he got that second prize, and
Yeah.
every in my school they were so surprised. फ्रेंच का स्टूडेंट पिटिशन में जाके सेकंड प्राइज कैसे जीत के आ सकता है?
Yes, ma'am, that is the spirit. Thank you so much. I am happy I remembered. Yes,
Yeah.
prize. Yes.
Yes.
So, including our volunteers, participants, many of them are non-Sanskrit students. So the Sanskrit is through Dhruva. We hope we can help it out. Just a question for volunteers. The work going on.
Yes, we can start now.
Thank you, Mithilesh. Yes. So, Aditi, we can go
Hmm.
ahead with the next round. First part,
Okay.
responses. Yeah, Aditi, over to you.
Okay. राउंड 2 ए मध्ये राउंड 2 बी ला आपण सुरुवात करूया. राउंड 2 बी मध्ये सेम पुन्हा 12 अंक दाखव. तसंच तुम्हाला पुन्हा तुम्हाला हवाय तो अंक चूज करता येईल. पण आता तुम्हाला श्लोकाऐवजी नंबरची ती वाक्य तुम्हाला 90 सेकंदांमध्ये घटनाक्रमानुसार लावायचे. ती घटनाक्रमानुसार लावून तुम्हाला तो सिक्वेन्स चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये पोस्ट करायचा. ती जी संस्कृत ती तुम्हाला मी दाखवते कशी. असा सिक्वेन्स तुम्हाला चॅट बॉक्सवर पोस्ट करायचा. आपण आता बीला
Just one doubt. While typing the chronology, do we need to type our contingent name?
लक्ष्मी, जैसा फर्स्ट राउंड हुआ, सॉरी राउंड 2A हुआ था, हम कंटिंजेंट नेम लेते थे एंड यू यूज्ड टू गिव द आंसर सिमिलरली. Yeah, within that read the verse and try to like type it out on the chat box. There is no need to type in Devanagari script or something like that. Nish, okay. Any other doubt to any participant? Please respond. I hope there is no doubt. Aditi.
Okay. सुरुवात करूया आपण. पहिला पार्टिसिपंट आहे ग्रुप 2 मधून. आता आपण ग्रुप 2 आधी चालू करूया. परशुराम.
Yes, 7.
ओके. स्टार्ट.
Yes, may I show? Okay, I will type.
Vayavyastra, please keep your audios and videos enabled. Vayavyastra Vedant. Yeah, thank you.
हमको आपके बिच्छू का निकालना अरे क्या है
10 seconds.
30 seconds left. Time up.
Okay, Aditi, can we continue?
Oh, 1 minute.
Yes. Yeah.
Next participant is Brahmastra.
8.
8. Our next participant is Dharma Pasha.
3.
3.
Second.
Yes, Aditi, the answer is received.
Yes, yes. Okay. Group आता सुरुवात करूया. ऋष्यशृंग from group 3.
Yes. Number.
Thank you. Next is Durva. Okay.
Which one is left?
हां सांगते मी. 4th, 5th आणि 12th.
Fifth.
Okay. Next, Asti.
Number 4.
4th.
You are, if currently changing the college also, some of our volunteers work from different colleges. For example, our past students, alumni all work from different colleges. So still, but the case is they do not like participate from their own college or school, like college से उन वो लोग आके participate नहीं करते हैं. So it is very sweet of to ask that, like if you wish to work as a volunteer, we love that response. But what happens, yes, you can work as a volunteer, but then you won't be able to participate from your own college. We have our volunteers, for example, current 12th passed out. They, even though they are applying to different colleges, not just Kelkar, they are applying to different colleges, they are still working for us as volunteers. But even if they get admitted to any college, then they are not supposed to act as a participant from their college.
Because I wanted to know what happens behind the scenes before the all the events organization. How you
Oh, so
frame
sweet.
all the cars and everything. I wanted to know.
Sure, sure. We will have a session, or preferably we will make some videos how was our experience, like from our side how it was, and we'll surely post it on our social media platforms. We had such responses. People were curious to know कि online session रहता है तो कैसा behind the scenes क्या चलता है. So we are trying to come out with bloopers and behind the scenes. Hopefully those will work out for PR and all. Surely you will get an idea. And if you do wish to participate, like act as a volunteer from the next year, you can surely join us. So we will welcome you. We are like happy to welcome you. Yes. Yes, truly Aditi ma'am is saying, yes, Parshuram is the active participant and there is no doubt. So even if whoever wins in Dhruva's eyes, we love Parshuram's participation. He is not just like acting as a competent active. So your school college will be truly proud of you. You know how to interact with the organizers and it's very cute of you. So now all other participants are getting a tough competition in their presentation skills. अब देखते हैं परशुराम को कौन beat कर सकता है. Not by flattering us, but at least he's interacting with us, and that shows his courage to speak in front of what we say new people, and that is absolutely correct. Very good, Parshuram. I guess you are not getting any competition. Joshi Rutuja, yes, I hope she is from Jamadagni. She also wishes to join us. It is so like a proud moment for us. Our participants are coming as volunteers for next year. We'll surely have your ideas in our events. We are happy to know. Actually, my smile is not disappearing. Yes, Amok, you wish to
Yes,
add something?
in this round 2B, it was a really nice round because the importance of each character in Ramayana was understood through this round. Even though we have to answer only one, but we still understand events and the importance of the characters.
Oh, so sweet, Amok. Thank you so much. Yes. Organizers tried to do not just major characters of an epic, even minor characters do like give us some. They too have important what we say relationship with what is happening in the real scene. So thank you, Amok. Yes, thank you, Rujuta. Sorry, thank you, Rujuta, for your comment.
Ma'am, actually,
Anyone else who wishes to add?
a student
Yes.
of so I feel really nice. I have participated in Dhruva as a theatre student too. So
Oh,
when I'm now in another college, yeah, it makes me very nostalgic.
So sweet. Yes, we have our students from Kelkar in what we say, Somaya and Ruya. She is a Sanskrit student, like she just passed out of Sanskrit degree, and she, like all our ex-students or alumni, whoever are there, they truly miss our session. Always जब भी ध्रुवा चलता है, they are so curious to know what is happening over there, and they are always in a dilemma कि volunteer बनना है या participant बनना है. And this paternal attachment they have with Kelkar and especially Dhruva, that is actually a proud moment for all of us. Like I can't take many names because they are as participants this time, but there are many people, absolutely many people from many colleges who do say that, and in fact schools also. Like there are many schools who participate and they come up saying कि हम केलकर में आएंगे या फिर हम ध्रुवा में participate करेंगे. So we are happy. Like Sanskrit कि college level पे क्या होता है, what all involvement they will have. They are given an exposure to college events and fests. So for school students also, that is like we feel very proud when such responses are there. Nostalgic responses, paternal attachment and love, everything. Thank you, Part spoke. Mithilesh, are the results out or should we wait?
just 1 minute, 1 minute.
And I can like virtually hear all the heartbeats because पता है सब इधर खुशी खुशी बैठे हैं, but just like round one, excited to know कि क्या है आपका मतलब result. And yes, we'll surely come up with the result. No matter whatever the result was, we say round था, absolutely everyone tried well. Like rapid fire में तो time was the main content, but here you had to arrange the sentences. से मतलब सभी character को समझना था. It was absolutely good. Like to refer all these epics, you have studied so much. Like you are person from your college or school, so you already stand what we say at the top level. Even though you win or lose, it doesn't matter. Absolutely doesn't matter even in front of us. So it is like, well, like we appreciate what you have done. Whatever may be your result, we are happy to see all our participants. Anyone who wishes to comment
Hello.
even now, can. Yes,
Hello.
Apurva.
Hi.
Ma'am, are you a teacher?
Yes.
Apurva ma'am, yes, okay. Yes.
फर्स्ट टाइम माझ्या स्टुडंट्स या स्पर्धेत पार्टिसिपेट केलं माझ्या स्टुडंट्सनी. म्हणजे मी ऐकत होते, पण मला काही टेक्निकल इश्यूजमुळे मुलांपर्यंत पोहोचता येत नव्हतं आणि मला ऍक्च्युली त्यांना दाखवून द्यायचं होतं की संस्कृत सब्जेक्ट नाहीये, तर संस्कृतच्या सर्कलमध्ये खूप काय काय होत असतं. त्यामुळे यावेळेस मला चान्स मिळाला आणि मी जेवढं उशिरा कळलं, पण जेवढा चान्स मिळाला तेवढा वेळ मिळाला त्याच्यात खूप तयारी करून घ्यायचा प्रयत्न केलाय. मला याच्यात कोणाचा नंबर येईल अशी अपेक्षाच नाहीये, पण मुलांना निदान संस्कृत सर्कलमध्ये चाललंय हे कळावं याच्यासाठी पार्टिसिपेट करायचं होतं आणि ते मला करायला मिळालं. आणि ऍक्च्युली मी तुमच्या ध्रुवा संस्कृत बद्दल जे ऐकत आले होते किंवा हे फेस्ट झाल्यानंतर सर्कलमध्ये एक असं ध्रुवा फीवर चढलेला असायचा. म्हणजे फेस्ट झाल्यानंतर महिनाभर ह्याच विषयी चर्चा असायची कायम. तर आता ती तसं का होतं ते आता ऍक्च्युअल पार्टिसिपेट झाल्यावर समजतंय. खूप खूप थँक्यू. आता सुद्धा रिझल्ट काही माझी मुलं पार्टिसिपेट होऊ शकते ह्यातच मला खूप छान वाटतंय. थँक्यू सो मच.
So sweet, Apurva ma'am. Actually, we are getting goosebumps from your words. Like, yeah, this year जब भी ऑनलाइन आए थे, इनफैक्ट पुणे से भी बहुत सारे लोग आए, एंड जस्ट लाइक अनुजा सेड, वी हैव एंट्रीज फ्रॉम चेन्नई एंड इंग्लैंड, सो ऑल दीज पीपल वर सो हैप्पी. लाइक जो नो मैटर व्हाट एटमॉस्फेयर इज अराउंड अस, बट एटलीस्ट अभी वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म है, हमें ऐसा ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है, पीपल कैन पार्टिसिपेट, दोस हु कुड नॉट participate for the past 4 years, and absolutely like college के count पे, school के count पे, number of entries के count पे, we have like highest number of entries. So happy कि हमने इतना events organize किया and वो fully मतलब utilize हो रहा है, nothing is going in waste. Each and every event जितना हमने effort लिया, उतना efforts participants के side से आ रहा है, उतना involvement आ रहा है. We are so happy. Thank you so much, Apurva ma'am. It means a lot. Thank you, ma'am. Mithilesh, can we go ahead with the third round?
Yes,
or
Aditi anchor will give the results.
announce the yes. Dhak dhak dhak. Yes, Aditi. So all the yeah, will it possible to include foreign students in offline events as well? Just a students in this case, you mean students from outside? Yes, if they are Sanskrit enthusiasts and it is possible for them to come to our college during participate. No,
Next year.
yes, surely bring your cousins and friends. We are happy to see them. Okay, Aditi, over to you.
मेघा 1 मिनिट थांब हा.
Okay, no issues. Yeah. Yes. Like all are excited. All are 12 participants. Matlab, they are not even sitting in their chairs. They are always now hanging somewhere. कि कौन अभी third round के लिए गया है. But I wish all of you stay in this meet and like watch what has happened in the थर्ड राउंड, बिकॉज थर्ड राउंड में भी हमने थोड़ा सा ऐसा इक्वली इंटरेस्टिंग रखा है, समथिंग मोर फोकसिंग ऑन संस्कृत. यस, अदिति इज हियर.
रेडी फॉर रिझल्ट?
या.
ओके, ग्रुप 2 पासून सुरुवात करूया. ग्रुप 2 चे टॉप 4 आहेत राऊंड 3 मध्ये जाणार. परशुराम, आग्नेयास्त्र, वाल्मिकी आणि ब्रह्मास्त्र. परशुराम, आग्नेयास्त्र, ब्रह्मा. आता ग्रुप 3 मधून जे राऊंड 3 ला जाणार आहेत ते आहेत दुर्वास आणि ऋष्यशृंग. ऍक्च्युली यमदग्नी या पार्टिसिपंटने थोडं लेट आन्सर दिलं, सो ते क्वालिफाय झाले नाहीत. पण ग्रुप 3 मध्ये टफ कॉम्पिटिशन. हे पार्टिसिपंट्स
I
आपले
was
राऊंड.
hoping we could hear howling stouts like today. हम जीत
मला पण वाटलेलं बोलतील काय.
We had expected that. This is nothing like an official formal event. Dhruva volunteers. You should have howled. Even I was howling. मतलब जिनके एंट्रीज आ रहे थे, I was like, should I shout? Should I shout? And you were so silent. So yeah, this is a time for you to shout. We need.
मी परत म्हणते.
But it is not allowed here.
It is allowed. It is absolutely
Yes,
allowed.
allowed.
चिल्लाते हैं, इधर भी चिल्लाना ही है. We need to see your.
No, we thought that it will cause a chaos if it is in this online, it will cause a chaos and it will be problematic.
And
So now
will the
it is.
decency marks be cut for this?
No marks will be. You will. I am assuring. जो चिल्लाने वाला है उसको मेरे तरफ से marks है. Now let me see for 2 seconds who is going to shout. We need to shout. Yes, Parshuram. सब लोग shout करो जो जीते. Oh, yeah, who won? And yes, मतलब जो जीते उनको कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. We are shouting. Okay.
I'm worried for the next one.
We are worried for the results. Oh my God,
नर्वस
you
आहेत
have.
सगळे नर्वस आहेत.
Yeah,
लास्ट
we
राऊंड
worried for
आहे.
the results. Okay, Aditi, go ahead. All the best for all those who won and for all those who attempted. Great job. Aditi, yes. Aditi, yes.
राऊंड 3 मध्ये क्वालिफाय झालेल्या सगळ्या पार्टिसिपंटना कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन. राऊंड 3 ला
धन्यवाद.
आपण
धन्यवाद.
आता आपण राऊंड 3 ला सुरुवात करूया. आता राऊंड 3 मध्ये ग्रुप 2 साठी कारण ग्रुप 2 चे 4 स्पर्धक आहेत म्हणून ग्रुप 2 साठी स्लाइडवर 4 चित्र असतील. त्या 4 चित्रांपैकी प्रत्येक स्पर्धकाला मी एक चित्र निवडून देणार. त्यानंतर टायमर सुरू करू. आपण टायमर सुरू करूया आणि तुम्हाला त्यावरून 5 संस्कृत वाक्य बनवायची आहेत. तुम्हाला 5 बनवायला आहेत 3 मिनिटं. त्या 3 मिनिटांमध्ये तुम्हाला ती 5 संस्कृत वाक्य कागदावर लिहून तुम्ही व्हिडिओवर दाखवू शकता किंवा तुम्ही चॅट बॉक्सवर टाईप करून पाठवू शकता. तसंच ग्रुप 3 साठी ग्रुप 3 चे 2 स्पर्धक आहेत. सो तुम्हाला स्लाइडवर 2 इमेजेस दिसतील. मला मी स्वतःहून एक चित्र निवडून देईन. त्या चित्रावरून तुम्हाला 5 संस्कृत वाक्य बनवायची आहेत, चॅटबॉक्सवरून टाकायचे आहेत किंवा तुमच्याकडे असलेल्या कागदावर लिहून व्हिडिओवर दाखवायचे आहेत.
डाऊट आहे.
सोपं आहे.
ते वाक्य एक पॅराग्राफ टाइप असली पाहिजेत का 1 2 3 4 5 अशी असली पाहिजेत?
Yes, it will be sentences. 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे sentences describing the picture. Okay, pictures will be given. Our anchor.
सारखी संस्कृत 5 वाक्य बनवायचे आहे.
ओके. मला अजून डाऊट आहे की मी लॅपटॉप वर बसलोय तर तुम्हाला इथून व्हिडिओवरून विजिबल राहील का नाही ते?
Yes, it will be visible and later on a number will be put on the chat box. You have to send image on that number also. Okay, Amu.
Okay, okay,
So yes,
okay,
that we
okay.
will clarify both the ways. We will clarify. Lakshmi just unmuted herself. Is there any doubt, Lakshmi?
I just want to ask, while we are writing, should we show the camera there, or is it fine if the face is
No,
shown?
it is fine. It is fine. Like 3 minutes
Okay,
time can write like without. You should keep your video on. That is a must. But apart
okay.
from that, if it is not visible, also it is
Thank
fine.
you.
Yeah. Welcome. Anyone? Uh, yes, yes. Anvya, go ahead.
Yes, we have to write all the sentences and then show on the video or
Yes, yes,
what?
correct. All 5 sentences you will write and then show to us on the video. If
Okay.
anyone feels they have a good typing speed, they are free to type also. It is absolutely your choice. There won't be any difference in grading, even if you type or you write, equally you will be given a grades. Okay?
Thank you, thank you.
Focus on your time, focus on your sentences, your Sanskrit. Okay? Yes. Anyone else? Any doubt? First slide में सिर्फ group
Just one in 5 points or a paragraph.
5
Anything is
पॉइंट्स
fine?
मध्ये लिहायचं आहे.
anything is
Okay,
absolutely
okay.
fine, but 5 sentences are expected. So point
Okay,
wise
okay,
or
okay.
paragraph
Thank
wise,
you.
5 sentences are expected. Thank you,
Okay,
Lakshmi.
thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. First slide में group 2 के जो भी 4 contingents है उनका दिखाई देगा. So group 3 next slide में हम बताएंगे. So it would be conducted separately. Okay. Yes. So group 2 वाले को all the best. Aditi. Yes.
राऊंड 3 ला सुरुवात करूया आपण. मीच जास्त ओके. फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपंट इज परशुराम आणि चित्र बी.
Okay, B. Okay.
Aditi, second, third and fourth का भी you can announce. Okay.
Simple, are we fine?
Yeah,
Simple
Parshuram, yes,
sentence.
sentences are according to your choice. It should describe the picture. Okay? Yeah.
सगळ्यांना एकदम देऊया.
One by one you can give.
ओके.
Yeah.
ओके. आग्नेयास्त्राला ए, वाल्मिकीला डी आणि ब्रह्मास्त्राला सी. ओके. Your time starts now.
Time up.
Time up, time up.
Can we show?
Yes, you have to show.
Yes, yes. Participants, one by one, you can show. Parshuram, please. Others also have to stop writing. Yes, Parshuram.
Is it visible?
A little bit to your, what is it? To your left. Sorry, to your left. Correct. Yeah, yes, it is visible. Yes, next contingent.
Valmiki.
Yes, Valmiki.
Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah, it is. It is. Yeah. Next contingent. Agneyastra. Agneyastra.
Is it visible?
Okay, just a second. Yeah, it little bit downwards. Little bit downwards, if you could. इतना भी नहीं, थोड़ा सा ऊपर. Yes, थोड़ा सा ऊपर. नहीं, don't come so close to the camera. Yes, yes, fine, fine. Yes, yeah. Thank you. And now Brahmastra. Can you show your camera? Where is Brahmastra?
Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, yes, totally visible. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, yes. Okay, congrats, participants.
Can
We will announce.
can we send later on WhatsApp?
Yeah, yeah.
It is not visible.
Yes, yes, you have to send. I'll put the number where you have to send. Please write your contingent names along with it and your group number. Okay, I'm just putting the contact number. Clear it along with your contingent name and group number. Don't reveal anything else. Okay.
Okay.
I have sent the number.
Okay.
Yes. Great. Now can we move on with
मस्त.
group three?
चालेल. Group 3.
Just a
दोन
second.
teams
I'm
आहेत.
start here. Yes. Can I'm able to you now. Okay, Aditi, you can continue.
ओके. ग्रुप 3 चे दुर्वासा आणि ऋष्यशृंग. दोन चित्र असतील. दुर्वासा टीमला
सॉरी टू माझे की ग्रुप 2 चं झालंय त्यांनी कुठे व्हॉट्सअप करायचंय. माझा आता मायक्रोफोन चालत नव्हता त्यामुळे मला.
Yes, Amog, it is put on the chat box.
Chat
The
box.
number is put on the chat box 908243692. This is your proper image along with your contingent name and group number. Is this clear, Amog?
Thank you.
Should I continue?
Yes, Aditi, you can. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
दोन टीम्स आहेत ग्रुप 3 चे. दुर्वासा आणि ऋष्यशृंग. सॉरी, पार्टिसिपंट आहेत दुर्वासा आणि दुर्वासाला A आणि ऋष्यशृंगला B.
Your time starts now.
Now.
Time up, time up.
Yes,
Okay.
again to group 3 participants also, congratulations. Please send the proper
Congratulations.
image. First, show us the image on the camera, please, both of the participants. Durvasa, Durvasa and Rishyashrunga.
Is it visible?
It is visible. Yeah, okay. Rishyashrunga is showing. Yes, it is visible. Yes, send this image to us on provide. Durvasa, can you please? Yeah. This is fine. ऐसे रखो. Yes, yes.
Okay, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
thank you.
Yes. Thank you, both of you. Each participated. Please send it to us on this number. Okay. Aditi, you can continue. I have received 2-3 images. Okay. The two. Aditi, you can continue.
मस्त सगळे एकदम मस्त खेळले माझ्यासाठी कारण तुम्ही राऊंड 3 पर्यंत आलात म्हणजे तुम्ही खूप मोठी बाप लोक आहात एकदम भारीच खरंच भारी उत्तमं सर्वेषां सहभागिनां सहभागः शोभनीयः आसीत् तेन एव स्पर्धा रमणीया जाता अतः सहभागिनां तेषां मार्गदर्शकशिक्षकाणाम् अन्यश्रोतॄणां कृते अहं धन्यवादान् व्याहरामि पुनर्मिलामः श्वः 5 वादने कोशान्वेषणं स्पर्धायां तावत्पर्यन्तं गृहे तिष्ठतु सुरक्षितं भवतु धन्यवादः
ऍक्च्युली मला एक
थँक यू गाईज
बोलायचं होतं
Yes, Parshuram. Go ahead.
ऍक्च्युली मला स्वाती जाधव मॅडम म्हणजे त्यांच्यासाठी बोलायचं होतं त्यांचं मी ते एक सेमिनार अटेंड केलेलं ध्रुवाचे जे वेबिनार होतं माझ्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी त्यांनी पण म्हणजे त्यांचा पण खूप मदत झाली त्यांनी जे लव्ह स्टोरी सांगितलं ते संस्कृतमध्ये ते असतील तर थँक्यू मॅडम
Swati madam, we are overwhelmed आपके वजह से ध्रुवा का reach इतना participant who is taking reference from you. Thank you so much, Swati madam. Yes, absolutely. All the 5 speakers of our webinars which were conducted, they were absolutely good. Like हमारा reach बढ़ गया and people were so many Sanskrit enthusiasts came up. So you can see Swati madam over here, like who spoke. She was there. So like for our last webinar, she was there. She spoke absolutely good. All our 5 people who spoke the session. Thank you, Parshuram. Yes, thank
तल्लीन
you.
झालेलो एकदम
Thank you. Yes, I would like to add the presentation में जो effects थे, like behind the scene who work, it is not noticed. So Neeti Karlekar, who was presenting the screen, she helped us a lot. She is also an alumni. She just passed out of Kelkar from sociology with sociology as a subject, and she had helped us in making this presentation. There are a lot of alumni things for the success of each event. Though they are not seen in the front, they're absolutely helping us. Thanks to Neeti, Nidhi, ma'am. Yes. Aditi, do you wish to add anything for our participants? Or if our participants wish to say something, please come forward.
मागच्या वर्षी बघायला म्हणून
Yes,
फक्त
Advait.
आलो होतो म्हणजे ध्रुव महोत्सव बघायला शाळेकडनं काही आलो होतो. म्हणजे यावर्षी जर कोरोना नसता तर खरंच म्हणजे कॉलेजमध्ये जाऊन कसं असतं ते बघायला मिळालं असतं आणि अजून मजा आली असती. पण ऑनलाईन
Yes, Advait, we are also missing. कॉलेज में फेस्ट होता, we daily we dream कि कल लास्ट टाइम कैसा ध्रुवा सब लोग like each participant का closing ceremony is what we miss the most. Each one of us miss closing ceremony so
Actually.
much. सब लोगों का चिल्लाना,
Yes.
का चिल्लाना, students का hours, everyone's and we expect कि इस बार भी closing ceremony वैसे ही जाए. Yes, is there सोहम ट्रेजरेंट का whatever events are left उसका डिस्कशन टीचर्स ग्रुप में होता रहेगा. We will provide you, we will guide you. There is no need. Results will be announced of this event. Every event results will be announced on 21st. तो तब तक सबको अपना ऐसा ब्रेथ और हार्ट बीट सब होल्ड है. And
Actually, is active in Dhruva participation since Sanskritam, the second season, and I loved
correct.
पूरा मजा आया पूरा the whole setup, the whole aura of the divining in the Sanskrit lake type. I enjoyed that, and this was also मतलब online is also very good. मतलब हाँ बहुत ही अच्छा है. Is Dhruva, that's it. Not offline, online.
Yes, yes, exactly. That is it. ध्रुवा is ध्रुवा. ऑफलाइन हो ऑनलाइन हो उतना ही स्पिरिट. इस इवेंट में जितना एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, मतलब जो डिस्कशन हो रहा था टीचर्स के साइड से, वी आर सो हैप्पी. एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग था, वी फेल्ट अरे वाह कितना अच्छा गया टीचर्स का इवेंट. टीचर्स होते ही है इतना मस्त. बट नाउ वी आर फीलिंग कि क्विज इतना अच्छा गया. Also tuition जा रहे, participants are giving tough competition. Like we as like we are not judging, but we feel कि अरे बाबा judges का क्या होने वाला है. That is how performing. And quiz का I would like to say quiz का and treasurer also, especially treasurer तो कल होगा तभी पता चलेगा. But quiz में almost जितने हम थे उतने लोगों के इन्वॉल्वमेंट है. यू वुड हैव सीन कि इंडिविजुअली कंटिजेंट्स के साथ पहला राउंड हुआ था, तो उधर सब इसमें 2 वॉलंटियर्स हमारे. सो देयर वॉलंटियर्स हियर, देयर वर 4 वॉलंटियर्स, देयर वर एंकर्स. So many people are working behind the scene. So we would extend our gratitude to all our volunteers. Thank you so much. We are getting like happy responses in the chat box also. Yes, like a welcome from Dhruva team.
खूप
All
खूप
like
खूप
we are
खूप
watching
गोड
it.
खूप गोड फीडबॅक मिळतायत आपल्याला.
Exactly. And जो इधर नहीं है मीट में वो लोग भी ये यूट्यूब में देखने वाले हैं. So the entire team Dhruva is going to watch it. Our participants are going to watch it. I hope each one of you enjoyed. Yes, thank you everyone. चलो अभी कल मिलेंगे
थँक यू
ट्रेजर
गाईज.
में.
खूप
Yes.
मजा आली आज.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
5 वाजता.
Okay.
everyone.
Yes.
Thank you. Should we leave now?